Welcome to the DrWeigert tutorial on laboratory glassware reprocessing. Today we will show the correct way to remove marker residues. Laboratory glassware is often labeled for identification purposes. Various markers and colors are available for this, consisting of different pigments. The residues of these pigments are often very difficult to remove. To have an as residue-free removal of markings as possible, we have the following tips. First, in order to be able to remove markings better later, we recommend using blue or green markers instead of black ones, as experience has shown that these can be removed more easily. Second, with older laboratory glassware, you should always mark the glass directly rather than the ceramic surface provided for this purpose. The rough ceramic layer absorbs color pigments. This makes them more difficult to remove. Third, choosing the right process chemical and the right program parameters is decisive for the cleaning success. An alkaline, surfactant-free cleaner is best suited for automated cleaning, especially with black markers. DrWeigert recommends using neodisher LaboClean FLA. This way, you avoid time-consuming manual reworking and achieve optimum cleaning results. For selecting specific process chemicals and corresponding program parameters, please contact your neodisher consultant. On request, the application's engineering neodisher develops customized solutions for your individual requirements. DrWeigert, systematic hygiene.